With sales in the US of electric vehicles, or EVs, nearly doubling from 2021 to 2022, the excitement for clean, energy-efficient transportation is only growing. And with EV sales projected to pass 1 million vehicles in 2023, you may be considering a switch to electric for your next automotive purchase. After all, the upsides seem obvious. One less errand to run by skipping the gas station, minimal vehicle maintenance and upkeep, and zero tailpipe emissions. But you may still have some doubts or questions about EVs. Is their range on a single charge too limited? Will charging times be overly long? And is the higher upfront cost of an EV worth it in the long run? Well, if it's electric vehicle answers that you're searching for, look no further than the experts in energy that you've been trusting for years, your local utility company.
We've owned our electric vehicle for about 2 years now. We bought it in August of 2021. Our local utility has been a great partner in this process.
We can help you make smart decisions when considering an EV purchase and answer those very same questions you might be asking. For instance, unless your round-trip commute is over 200 miles in a day, charging can easily be done at your home overnight. Depending on variables, this could be equivalent to spending less than $1 per gallon on gas.
The range anxiety was worse probably the first month or two that we owned it. Once you get used to it and once you experience finding the charging network, it becomes much less of an issue. Our EV can cover about 250 miles on a 80% battery charge, the percentage that's recommended for regular use. We chose this EV because it had a little bit higher range than some other cars. It's got a large battery, an 82 kilowatt battery, because we're using it for longer trips. So we knew that we'd want that range. We took a trip up to Canada last year to Winnipeg, and that went surprisingly well.
As for the question of whether the cost of going electric is worth it, that's where we can really shine. Providing information on the different types of chargers and how to choose one, helping you find and take advantage of incentives towards your vehicle purchase, and advising you on different rate options for charging during off-peak times, such as nights or weekends.
The EV came with a nice perk. It was a 3-year free charging plan, which is still active, at a nationwide DC fast charging network.
No matter where you are in your journey to an electric vehicle, your local utility can be a resource to help you make the best decision that works for you and your lifestyle.
My advice to someone considering the purchase of an EV at this point would be to thoroughly research your options. There are new models coming on the market every year. Consider your use case. Commuting is quite different from long-range travel. And there are good resources available at your local utility.
If you're considering an EV purchase, your local utility is here to help.